Joe. Okay. Ihag ang arm. It's A. San. C. Go. Rock. It's. That's. Go. Joe. Kabila. It's. A. San. C. Go. Rock. It's. That's. Go. Joe. And so hips. Hip rotation. It's. A. San. C. Go. Go. It's. That's. Go. Reverse. It's. Three. San. Si. Iikot. Go. Rock. It's. That's. Go. Two. Tawag sa knee. Pag pinagawa kay atras, baby. Atras. Atras. Pag sa school, sa PE classes, pagawa sa inyo to, huwag nyo gagawin because na-damage nito yung knees. So what we do instead is we just bend our knees. One. Kasi ang functional knee, i-bend lang. I-bend lang yung knee. Hindi naman design ng knee para paikutin. Ano? So, gano'n. It's push. Knee. Pindit. Up. Saan. Up. C. Up. Go. Up. Okay. Yan lang yung design ng knee. Bend straight.